Warning, this story contains details of child sex abuse. Australia's biggest private childcare operator, G8 Education, will install CCTV in all of its centres following child abuse charges being laid against a former employee. It comes as hundreds of families consider legal action against centres where the alleged child sex offender worked. Joshua Dale Brown is facing more than 70 charges allegedly involving 8 children and is set to appear before court in September. Reporter Matilda Maotsi joins us now from Melbourne. Hi there, Matilda. So G8 Education operates 4 centres where the accused worked. How's the announcement that they'll roll out CCTV been received?
For people I've been speaking to, Ros, it's been a really mixed reaction. One parent I've been speaking to who has a child at a G8 centre had said she was extremely angry and distressed at the lack of communication she'd received from the organisation since these allegations had been made public, but was actually really pleased in the last day to see that there had been announcements, and she thought the CCTV was a positive step forward. On the other hand, I've spoken to a former G8 worker who is concerned, who said CCTV potentially poses problems if that footage were able to be hacked and accessed by people who shouldn't have access to that footage. And she also thought it was a band-aid solution. What really needs to happen to keep kids safe at childcare is for there to be more staff, more educators there, so that you can't have one adult alone with a number of children. At the moment, as long as you're in ratio, it's legal for one educator to be alone with children.
Okay, and some families are now considering legal action. What can you tell us about that, Matilda?
Yeah, local law firm Arnold, Thomas and Becker have been approached by over 100 families who have children at centres where the accused Joshua Brown worked. They've approached the law firm seeking to potentially pursue individual cases of compensation for any medical expenses, lost wages and mental distress in the wake of these allegations. The principal lawyer there, Jodie Harris, has told me that families are extremely angry. When they sent these children to these centres, they expected them to be safe, and the fact that they could have been put at risk by one of the employees has led them to hold these centres responsible for keeping children safe.
Matilda, thank you.
Thank you.